guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day. So for today's video I'm going to be showing you how I did this eye look. I took the inspiration from a photo I saw on Pinterest. I don't know who the artist is or the account name of whoever made this eye, but I'll show you the picture. So this is the picture that I found on Pinterest. It's really pretty yellow eye with like a brown smoky eye. Nude lip, but I decided to go with a red lip instead. Now if anybody knows who the girl in the picture is, who created the eye look, then please leave their name down below because I can't find it anywhere. I don't know who it is. So I'm going to be trying to recreate the eye look today on my eyes. So if you like this sort of thing, please hit like, and if you like me, please subscribe. Really appreciate it. Also, quick side note, I have new lighting and a new kind of filming setup today. I recently bought 2 soft boxes. That's why I'm so brilliant and white and light and bright. I don't know. So yeah, I bought 2 soft boxes, so there's one on either side of my face, and I have pinned my background to the wall as well, so it's a bit more flatter. It's still a bit crinkled here, but what can you do, you know? Until I find a way of doing this to perfection, then this is gonna have to do. But I'm really excited about my 2 lights. Yeah! So without further ado, let's get into the video. So firstly, what I'm going to do is, using my MAC Painterly paint pot in soft ochre, I'm just going to use my finger and get a little bit of this and put this on my eye to act as an eyeshadow base. And then going into the BH Cosmetics Shaaanxo the Remix palette, I'm going to be first going into this shade here called Clarity, and I'm going to be using a big fluffy brush to apply this all over my eye. Then going into the shade Buttercup on the same brush, I'm just going to put this in the crease area. And then going into the shade Terracotta on a slightly smaller blending brush. This is going to focus only in the crease now. Mostly the outer crease, the outer V area, but just gently dragging it in towards the inner corner a little bit as well. And then going back in with the big fluffy brush, I'm just going to buff out the edges of that. Then taking a much smaller blending brush, sort of like a domed brush, I'm going to go into the shade Silhouette. It's like a sort of like a charcoal kind of colour, like it's kind of not quite black, it's kind of dark bluey grey colour, and this is going to go mostly in the outer corner and halfway up in the crease as well. Just keep adding little bits every now and again. You want to build up the colour gradually, you don't want to go all in and just go wild, because that's when mistakes are most likely to happen. And then go back in with the smaller blending brush and just blend it out. Once you're happy with the way it looks, go back in to the MAC Painterly paint pot, or you could use concealer, whichever one you want, and just a flat brush. Get a little bit, and we're going to create sort of like a cut crease type effect. It doesn't matter too much about this outer edge because we're going to blend the black into the yellow when we put it on. So what I used for this yellow glittery kind of thing is the Fenty Beauty Killerwatt Highlighter in Trophy Wife. I can't open it, there we go. That's what it looks like. It's seriously crazy. This is technically a highlighter for darker skin tones. if I put this on my face as a highlight, I would look like crazy. But I suppose you can use it for like, if you're going to a festival or something like that. But for everyday use, this is not a very good highlighter for my skin tone anyway. But I do like to use it for eyeshadow every now and again. So I use this on my eyes today for the yellow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a flat brush and just scrape it along the top of the highlighter, getting lots of product on the brush, and then taking a setting spray. I'm just going to spray the brush to dampen it a little bit, and then I'm going to apply this straight onto my eyes. And because this is meant to be a highlighter, you do have to build it up quite a bit on your eye, because at first it will come off quite sheer, but if you keep going, keep building, you will get a nice cover eventually. I look kind of crazy and it looks very messy, but what we're going to do is take in the small blender brush thing we use for the black and go back into Terracotta and Silhouette, just going backwards and forwards just so we can blend out this yellow, especially in this corner here, because we want it to be blended in the corner but quite prominent and sharp here, sort of. And then once you've done that, just take the big fluffy brush and just blend it all together so it's all nice and seamless. And then what I like to do is to take any random concealer you have and a small stubby smudgy brush, just, you know, just dab it on a bit, and then just clean up this outer part here so you've given yourself like a nice sharp line like that. This also acts as quite a good guideline for where your eyeliner is supposed to go. Then to take a bit of powder, just face powder, and just set that down. What I want to do now is take this tiny blending brush that we've been using for the black and just go into Terracotta in the BH Cosmetics palette, and this is just going to go on our lower lash line. Next we're going to do eyeliner. I wanted a really matte black, thick, stark black eyeliner for this look. So I opted for the MAC Blacktrack Fluidline. Mine looks kind of gross. And I'm just going to apply it with this BH Cosmetics eyeliner brush. So let's attempt at doing an eyeliner and a wing. Wish me luck. Okay. Oh, scared. So I've done the wing. It doesn't perfectly match the other side, but I've also done a little point, well, I tried to do a little point in the inner corner. I feel like that just like elongates your eyes a bit, makes them look a bit more almond shaped, which is apparently the desired eye shape look. Okay, so lastly for eyes is the lashes. Now, as I say in pretty much every single video, I don't own false lashes. I'm not particularly very good at applying false lashes, so therefore I don't wear false lashes. So for lashes I'm going to be using mascara, and I'm going to be using the Too Faced Better Than the Sex mascara. This has quickly turned into my all-time favourite mascara. So this is my eye makeup done. I feel like it's kind of sexy, kind of glamorous, you know, sort of New Year's Eve-y, but we've gone way past New Year's Eve now. So I'm going to zoom you in for a close-up of what it looks like. I'm just going to apply some lipstick and then some glossy lipstick. only in the centres. Let's take my hair down. So this is the finished makeup look. I feel like it really makes my eyes look really blue and really pop. Because red is such a high maintenance colour, some people may not want to have red lipstick on. And also having bold eyes and bold lips at the same time can be a little bit too much for some people. So what you can do instead of the red lipstick is go for like a nude lipstick. The girl in the picture, as you can see here, the girl in the picture has a nude lip, so it kind of makes the look a bit more wearable, whereas I feel like red lips are a bit out there, let's just say, but I love it. I feel really extra and really amazing and just so I love it. So it's completely up to you what you do with this look. I would really like it if you could like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel down below. Everything I used before I showed you how I did the eyes, I will list in the description box below as well, so you know what I used. So thank you all for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!